Welcome back to another video. I'm Creaky and today we're covering the 7 things real estate agents need to be doing in this current market. There's no doubt the market's changed, and from most of the feedback I'm getting, the term being thrown around the most is that things have slowed. Well, here's a video with 7 cracking tips you can use right now to speed things right back up again. That's right, we're going to speed things up. Number 1, record and post a video every day for 5 days. If your videos are relevant, it will reset the algorithm. If they're not, the experience of actually presenting to camera will be a massive benefit, especially for those who typically shy away from being on camera. Number 2, start actively looking for safe locations to record videos from. Rather than waiting for an idea and then having nowhere you're comfortable to record it is a massive waste of time. So by identifying the safe places first, every time you head towards one, the ideas will flood back in and you'll be eager to get them recorded while you can. Number 3, make 1 video a week addressing a current market issue. This is where you share and cement your expertise. 4, shoot 1 video a week at a popular business or landmark location. This will help grow your reach by targeting people who visit the same area and have been having conversations or searching terms related to your industry and the work that you do. Number 5, interview local celebrities like the over-exuberant fruit shop owner or football coach or even another real estate agent. Just make sure it's an at least 2-person interview about the local area. Number 6, get active in the chat, not just your own. Like, comment, and share your insights with others. This, by engaging with a community, will make you way more visible. And 7, document you doing your job. You may think it's boring and mundane. Let people into your world. Add some storytelling elements and turn the process into a journey driven to solve a typical problem, and boom, there goes the dynamite.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Boom goes the dynamite! Boom goes the dynamite!
Implement these 7 steps 5 days a week for 4 weeks and let me know how much things change. Peace.